Hey, it's your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Landa, and welcome back to the channel. So welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, and today we're going to be decorating my fireplace mantle. So this is the fireplace that I have in my dining room, and I'm just going to be decorating it with some things that I picked up from Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls. You know the drill. You know how we do during this time of year, and we go to the various places to pick up Christmas decor. So I'm using these command strips because, of course, when this is all over, I'll be able to easily remove them and take them down. But I'm using the command strips to attach the garland that I picked up. So this is me dancing to the Christmas music that I have going on. So I picked up this garland from Ross. It actually had some ribbon on it in this black and white checkerboard pattern, which really didn't go with my decor. But I picked it up. This was only 16 bucks, and you can't beat that when it has all of this decor on it. And I removed the black and white, I think they call it buffalo check ribbon. And so now I'm just kind of placing the garland, fluffing it out, doing what I can to make it look better on here. And you'll see me occasionally dancing as I listen to the music that we have going on. So I want to give it just a slight little swag to it, not have it go straight across, and just to kind of make it look as consistent and equal as possible. And yeah, that's me singing too. Wow, I'm so glad you couldn't hear me sing. So I'm removing the price tag, like finally, right everyone? And just continuing to fluff and make sure it looks good. I'm placing the sled. My Christmas theme for this year is Santa and Winter Wonderland. So most of my decor is gold, silver, ivory that I'm using. So, and touches of green just to make sure it doesn't look too sterile. So I placed my Santa there in the sled that I picked up from Home Goods, and now I'm using the tree. Have these cute little reindeer. Of course, Santa can't have a sled without reindeer, so I have a daddy, mama, and baby reindeer pulling the sled. And now I'm going in and adding these gifts that I made. If you haven't seen my simple DIY Christmas decor video, I'll make sure to link it in the card above. Make sure to check it out. I made these boxes during that particular haul. I got the boxes from the Dollar Tree, all very simple projects. So Santa can't come, right, without presents. So I'm making sure that Santa has tons of presents on his sleigh as he's delivering gifts to all the good little girls and boys and their mommies and daddies too, right? So I'm just, continuing to sing and dance and place the gift boxes in a pattern that is pleasing and you can see them all. So this is just me just continuing to go through everything and play with the boxes until I get the what I'm looking for as far as placement is concerned. So now I go back, and these are mop heads from the Dollar Tree, the Swifter mop heads. So I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks like fur or snow. And so now I'm just placing the mop heads all throughout on the mantle, by the sleigh, by the reindeer, just to give that feeling, that look that is snowing, because what is Christmas without snow? And I say that, yet here I am in sunny South Florida, and we never have snow for Christmas, but a girl can imagine and wish, right? So I'm just going in and placing all of the mop heads that I got, put some snow by Santa, and snow underneath the gifts and everything, and just really taking my time to place everything. So hopefully you all like what I did as far as the decor is concerned. And don't forget, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Again, this is your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Landa, and we're going to say bye bye now. See you later.